Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing and review. I have it here with me right now. For any of you guys that are interested and you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. It retails for $21, and in each box you get up to 5 full-size products that usually equal to $100 or more altogether. This box is really good and worth it, and I'm going to show you everything that's inside and give you my thoughts on it. But if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. I will have more content coming. If you're returning to my channel, thank you for sticking with me and welcome back. And without further ado, let's get into this video. The first product we have in the box is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. This is what the package looks like. And this is what the actual bottle looks like when they're out of the box. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my face first, and I'm gonna be using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And I'm gonna add about maybe 2 or 3 of these drops to my face. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna add another drop. I really like the way that looks though. Let's go ahead and add the foundation. Okay, so the next item in our BoxyCharm box is a set of brushes by Luxy Brushes. It says it's the Luminous Eye Set, and these brushes retail for $21. Okay, and we also have an eyeshadow palette. It is by Ace Beauty. This one says it retails for $24.99. Let's open it up and see what it's looking like. Now, I really like this. I like these colors. They're right up my alley. Most of my wardrobe consists of these colors, so this is really exciting. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one. So let's open up these brushes and use this palette. We have a mini flat angled brush, which is this one right here, if you can see that. We have a mini angled brush. We have a mini round brush and a mini tapered brush. So, all right, the first shade I'm gonna be taking is this shade right here, and it's called Clove. I'm gonna be putting that in as my transition shade. Let's see. Very pigmented. This is so pretty. Like, this color is super pretty. Super pretty. I'm trying to make it work with just using these brushes. They are small, so it's kind of hard to blend, but it's not looking that bad. I think we can keep going. I like these brushes, and they probably are good for something, but this will take me all day to blend. So I'm gonna be taking this tapered blending brush right here just to blend this out. To blend. You see, that's much quicker and easier. I mean, I could probably use these brushes, these Luxie brushes, but it would take me quite some time to get this blended out, and I don't want to be here all day blending eyeshadow. So next I am going to take this Wet n Wild blending brush here, and I'm gonna take the color Poppy right here, right there, and I'm gonna place that in the crease and in the outer V area. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Like, these colors are beautiful. Great pink fall colors. I love them. They blend so easily and they're so pigmented. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the shade Myrtle right here, and I'm gonna place that right on the lid. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna take a Japanese 346 brush. It looks like this. And I'm gonna take this shade Jasmine right here in the corner. And I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner as well as my brow bone for some highlight. Now I'm gonna use the tiny brushes, the mini brushes, that's there. I'm gonna use the mini brushes and I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna take Clove again on the mini tapered brush, and I'm gonna blend that in down here. Now I'm gonna take the mini round brush and I'm gonna take that shade Poppy and I'm gonna blend that one right on top of the other one, on top of Clove. The next item we have is glittering star eyeliner, and this is what that looks like. It says here that it retails for $5. We're gonna open it up and I'm gonna place this in my waterline. Okay, that's pretty sharp. Good. Okay. Just a little bit, cause that's all I'm gonna do with that. I really like this eyeshadow, y'all. I love it. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and color to my lips. Okay, and the last thing we have in our BoxyCharm box is a makeup brush cleaner, and it is by Bodyography Pro. It says that this item retails for $12. This box to me is so worth it. And you get so many great products. I love every product that came in this box this month. Before I got the box, I read and saw a lot of reviews saying that it would be the best box of this year, and I 100% agree. I love all of their boxes, but this one so far has been my ultimate favorite. And I would encourage you guys to go out and subscribe to this box. You will not be disappointed. And this is the final look that I came up with today. I really like it. Like, this eyeshadow palette, I see myself using this at least twice a week. These colors are way, way, way up my alley. This is what I go for on a daily basis, especially now that it's fall. I mean, it's a pretty cold fall, but it's fall, and these are fall colors. I love those. These brushes are really good for what I use them for, getting down in the lower lash line. They're really, really good for precise areas like that. But I haven't tried the makeup brush cleanser, but I will try it. I'm sure I'll like it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and comment down below.